Deep under the ocean, there is a place so dark that a single drop of light can travel for almost 100 meters before disappearing forever. And somewhere in that darkness, creatures glow with colors no human eyes have ever naturally seen. As you settle in, let the gentle rhythm of the ocean carry your mind into calmness. The deep ocean holds over 95% of all living space on Earth, a silent world stretching endlessly beneath you. At 200 meters down, sunlight fades into a soft blue twilight, and your body naturally begins to relax just imagining it. The deeper you go, the slower everything moves. Even sound drifts as if it's half asleep. Some deep-sea fish live their entire lives without seeing a single ray of sunlight, yet thrive peacefully in the dark. The water here is so still that if you placed a feather inside it, it could remain untouched for hours. The ocean's pressure grows so gently, yet so powerfully, it's like the earth itself giving a slow, steady embrace. At these depths, your heartbeat would naturally slow, just like it does as you drift towards sleep. Nearly 80% of deep-sea animals can glow, turning darkness into soft, living lanterns. A jellyfish can shine blue, purple, or green without creating any heat at all, the most peaceful light in nature. Some creatures flash only once every several hours, just enough to say they exist. When bioluminescent plankton drift together, they form underwater galaxies that move as slowly as your breath. A single glowing worm can leave a sparkling spiral behind it, like a lullaby written in light. The deeper the animal lives, the softer its glow, nature's way of whispering instead of shouting. Whales sleep by shutting down only half their brain at a time, a perfect balance between awareness and peace. Sea otters hold hands when they sleep so they don't drift apart. Some sharks sleep while swimming slowly, letting the ocean push water across their gills for them. In the deep, time moves gently. Many animals live longer simply because their world is calm. The temperature here is almost always the same, just above freezing, steady, predictable, comforting. Pressure becomes more than 500 times stronger than the air at the surface, yet creatures float effortlessly, unbothered. The sea floor is soft and powdery, like the surface of the moon. Some abyssal fish barely move all day, conserving energy in the most peaceful way possible. A single piece of food drifting downward can take months to reach the bottom. Deep-sea cucumbers filter the water around them, cleaning the ocean slowly and calmly every minute. Some creatures communicate using gentle clicks or soft humming sounds, almost musical, like the ocean's own lullaby. Thousands of underwater volcanoes rise higher than mountains we see on land, but remain hidden beneath the waves. Hydrothermal vents release mineral-rich water that looks like black smoke, yet feels warm and soothing to the life around them. There are shrimp that spend their entire existence in total darkness, guided only by faint heat. Baticular near these vents convert minerals into energy, forming peaceful ecosystems untouched by sunlight. Some vents glow softly in infrared light, too gentle for human eyes to see. The deepest place on Earth is the Mariana Trench, a quiet valley almost 11 kilometers down. If Mount Everest were placed inside it, the peak would still be far underwater. Sound can take up to 7 seconds to reach the trench's walls. Creatures here move gracefully, shaped slowly by millions of years of calm darkness. Scientists say the opening's floor has had fewer convictusts than the moon. The silence here is so complete, it softens your thoughts until they drift. Deep water absorbs stress. The deeper you imagine going, the wiping your mind feels. You are now together the 99% of all life on Earth has ever gone. Your breath matches the slow sway of the currents, steady and natural. In the deep, nothing rushes, nothing forces, everything sum again. You are safe, you are calm, you are drifting. Far beneath the waves, there are mountains taller than the Himalayas, hidden in darkness where no sunlight has touched for millions of years. Some of these underwater peaks are so tall, their tips nearly break the surface. Yet, we never see them. If you listen closely down here, the ocean speaks in whispers. Faint crackles from coral reefs, gentle rumbles from distant vents, and the slow pulse of the currents like a heartbeat. There are fish that produce their own sounds, tiny pops and gentle clicks, echoing through the deep like underwater wind chimes. And there are creatures here who have never once seen the sun. Their bodies glow softly, creating their own version of starlight in a world without sky. The deepest jellyfish discovered drifts at over 10,000 meters below the surface, moving so slowly that it almost appears frozen in time. Some deep-sea sharks may live for more than 400 years, quietly gliding through centuries as human history rushes by above them. There's a type of octopus that broods its eggs for 4.5 years, the longest known of any animal. It waits patiently in darkness, caring for life it will never see hatch. On the ocean floor, ancient shipwrecks become peaceful homes for coral, crabs, and glowing worms, turning tragedy into sanctuary. There are rivers beneath the ocean, thick, heavy currents of brine flowing through the sea floor, complete with waterfalls and swirling fog. Standing at the edge of one feels like looking into a world within a world, two oceans layered together. Some deep-sea creatures are nearly transparent, their bones, their organs, even their muscles invisible, so nothing wastes energy. Others have mirrored skin that reflects the darkness perfectly, making them vanish into their surroundings. The pressure down here is so immense that air bubbles shrink instantly into tiny silver beads. And yet, life thrives as if it were weightless. In certain places, bioluminescent plankton create entire glowing storms, waves bursting with neon blues and greens like lightning trapped underwater. A single drop of deep-sea water contains tens of thousands of microscopic organisms, each drifting gently, each part of the ocean's slow, quiet rhythm. Some animals rise thousands of meters every night to feed in the moonlit shallows, then sink back into darkness by morning. It is the largest daily migration on Earth, and almost no one ever sees it. There are worms that build crystal-like tubes around themselves, shimmering like underwater icicles. There are fish whose eyes rotate upward to watch for glowing prey, and downward to watch for shadows of predators.
Some jellyfish can clone themselves, creating a younger version after injury, almost like rewinding their own life. And deep in the trench, where darkness is perfect and time feels slow, tiny snailfish glide effortlessly, their bodies soft as silk, made to live where nothing else can survive. Down here, silence isn't the absence of sound, it's the presence of peace. The deeper you imagine going, the quieter your thoughts become. With every meter down, your body relaxes just a little more, until the ocean holds you gently, like drifting into sleep.
Thank you for exploring the deep ocean. May its stillness stay with you as you drift peacefully into sleep.